Turmeric. Just saying the word feels like you're unlocking an ancient secret. This golden spice has been around for thousands of years, prized for its vibrant color, earthy flavor, and most importantly, its powerful health benefits. But what happens when you start eating turmeric every single day after turning 50? Is it really the fountain of youth in powdered form? Or just another health trend riding the golden wave? Buckle up, because we're about to uncover the science, the benefits, and a few surprises turmeric has in store for you. First things first, let's talk about the star of the show, curcumin. This is the active compound in turmeric that's responsible for most of its health perks. Curcumin is a superhero of antioxidants and a champion of anti-inflammatory properties. And as you age, inflammation becomes the silent villain behind a host of problems: joint pain, heart disease, memory loss, and even skin aging. Incorporating turmeric into your diet is like giving your body an army to fight off these age-related foes. Let's start with your joints. After 50, they often feel like creaky doors in an old house. Arthritis, stiffness, and general discomfort are common. Turmeric works like WD-40 for your body. Studies show that curcumin can reduce inflammation and pain in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis, often matching the effectiveness of over-the-counter pain relievers without the side effects. Next, your heart. Turmeric is a heart health hero. It improves the function of your endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels, which often deteriorates with age. Poor endothelial function is a major factor in heart disease. Turmeric also helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and increase good cholesterol, HDL, giving your heart the love it deserves. Now, let's talk brain health. After 50, you might notice your memory isn't as sharp, or you forget where you put your keys, or your glasses, which are on your head. Turmeric has been shown to boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BNF, a hormone that supports the growth of new neurons and combats cognitive decline. Some research even suggests it could reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease by breaking down plaques in the brain and reducing inflammation. Think of it as brain food with a side of brilliance. But turmeric doesn't stop there. Let's move to digestion. As we age, our digestive systems can feel a little sluggish. Turmeric stimulates bile production, helping your body digest fats and improving gut health. It can also help reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Oh, and let's not forget your skin, the body's largest organ, and often the first to show signs of aging. Turmeric's antioxidant powers fight off free radicals that cause wrinkles, age spots, and sagging. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties help calm skin conditions like eczema and acne. Turmeric is like a glow-up in a bottle. Worried about diabetes? Turmeric's got you covered. It can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing glucose production in the liver. It's like having a personal sugar monitor working overtime. But here's a reality check. While turmeric is amazing, curcumin isn't easily absorbed by the body. Adding a pinch of black pepper to your turmeric can enhance absorption by up to 2,000%. Also, consuming it with healthy fats like olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado can make it even more effective. Now, what about dosage? Studies suggest that 1-2 teaspoons of turmeric powder daily, or a supplement with 501,000 mg of curcumin, is enough to enjoy its benefits. Whether you're sprinkling it into your morning smoothie, stirring it into soups, or making golden milk, consistency is key. But here's a quick word of caution. If you're on blood thinners, have gallbladder issues, or are scheduled for surgery, consult your doctor before diving into a turmeric habit. While it's a natural wonder, it can interact with certain medications. So, what happens when you eat turmeric every day after 50? You're essentially arming your body against the challenges of aging. Stronger joints, a sharper mind, a healthier heart, glowing skin, and a happier gut. It's all possible with this ancient spice. Ready to turn your kitchen into a turmeric temple? If you're excited to start, hit that like button. Share this golden wisdom with someone who needs it, and explore our previous videos for more tips on staying healthy and vibrant as you age. Until next time, here's to aging gracefully with a little turmeric magic.